Check this out, a clean drop-down menu that appears smoothly on hover. It's simple, responsive, and super easy to build. Let's break it down step by step. We start with the title, Drop-Down Hover Fix, clearly defining what this page is about. Inside the body, we create a navigation bar using a list structure. We add main links like Home, About, and Contact using list items and anchor tags. For the Services section, we create a drop-down menu by nesting another list inside it. This drop-down includes options like web design, development, and SEO. The structure keeps everything clean, organized, and easy to manage. And finally, we link our external style sheet to apply the design and interactivity. Now let's style everything using CSS. First, we style the body, setting a white background, centering everything with Flexbox, and applying a clean font for a modern look. Next, we design the navigation bar. We use Flex Display on the unordered list to align items in a row, add spacing with gap, and give it a blue background with padding and rounded edges. We then style the links, removing default underlines, setting the text color to white, and making them bold for better visibility. For the drop-down, we position the parent element relatively, so the submenu can be positioned correctly. The drop-down menu itself is positioned absolutely, hidden by default using opacity and visibility, and styled with a white background, padding, rounded corners, and a soft shadow. We also add hover effects on the submenu links to improve interaction. Finally, when the user hovers over the drop-down, the menu smoothly appears using a transition, creating a clean and interactive navigation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more clean web design tips. See you in the next one.